Today's medical-centric topic is everything to know about the stages of sleep. Sleep is vital for overall health and is divided into stages that each serve different purposes. Understanding the stages of sleep helps you appreciate how your body and mind rejuvenate during rest. 1. Overview of the sleep cycle. Sleep is categorized into two main types: non-REM, REM sleep, and REM sleep. Non-REM sleep comprises the first three stages, where your body slows down and prepares for deep rest. REM sleep, known for vivid dreaming and mental restoration. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes, repeating several times during the night. 2. Stage 1. Light sleep, NREM. This is the initial phase of sleep. Duration: lasts a few minutes. Characteristics: your heartbeat, breathing, and eye movements slow down. This is a light stage where you're easily awakened. Stage 1 transitions the body from wakefulness to deeper sleep. 3. Stage 2. Deeper light sleep, NREM. Stage 2 is where you settle into a more stable sleep. Duration: around 10 to 15 minutes during the first cycle, extending in later cycles. Characteristics: heart rate and body temperature drop further. Sleep spindles, brief bursts of brain activity, occur, protecting against waking up easily. Stage 2 allows for deeper relaxation. 4. Stage 3. Deep sleep, NREM. Stage 3 is the most restorative part of the sleep cycle. Duration: lasts 20 to 40 minutes. Characteristics: this stage features very slow brain waves. It's difficult to wake up from deep sleep. During this time, the body repairs muscles, tissues, and strengthens the immune system. Deep sleep is crucial for physical recovery and health. 5. Stage 4. REM sleep. REM sleep is the final stage of the sleep cycle. Duration: starts about 90 minutes after falling asleep, increasing in length with each cycle. Characteristics: the brain becomes highly active and vivid dreams occur. Eye movement is rapid, but the body remains still. REM sleep is essential for memory consolidation and emotional health. 6. The importance of the sleep stages. Each sleep stage serves a purpose. Stage 1. Transition to sleep. Stage 2. Stable sleep. Stage 3. Deep sleep. Physical recovery. Stage 4. REM sleep. Mental and emotional restoration. Skipping stages, particularly deep sleep or REM, can impact your health. Each stage of sleep plays a critical role in overall health, from physical recovery in deep sleep to mental restoration in REM. Ensuring you get enough sleep cycles each night helps support physical, mental, and emotional well-being.